Well, welcome back to the Karnes Motorsports Mustang project. When we decided we were going to paint this, I took a week off from work and tried to get as much done as possible. So I screwed up. I didn't shoot an intro to this video and pretty much just shot a bunch of time lapses because didn't have a whole lot of time to, get the project done. So yeah, I guess sit back and enjoy some of the footage. Right here, we're cleaning the bottom of the car up with a wire wheel. We shot base coat or epoxy primer, and then we shot base coat clear coat over top of it, which I think you'll see in this video. But yeah, I just took a wire wheel to the bottom of the car and cleaned it up as best I could. It's a relatively solid car underneath. So that's what we're doing here. Got to dress up the welds on the floor pans that I put on there, and kept wanting to, whatever we were doing there, we were moving it across the lift. We had to move it back, but there I am cleaning up the welds on the floor pans, and then I got to take that bar down right there in the back. That's a track bar mount, and get that all cleaned up to weld that in. But anyways, yeah, just enjoy a time lapse, and the next video will So here we are, Mustang project up on the hoist. Bottom side's all shot with epoxy. Everything else is shot with epoxy and high build. The bumpers have been blocked, spoilers have been blocked with 400. The doors we're going to wait to do because we are going to jam it out. This has been a culmination of about 2 weeks worth of work. The hood, because it's such a cheap piece of shit fiberglass hood, the bottom side really wasn't finished, so we sprayed that with
lizard skin to kind of give the whole hood a texture, because the center part here wasn't finished with a gel coat or anything. Obviously you get what you pay for, especially in fiberglass hoods. So I shot it with the lizard skin just to give it some texture, so it made it all uniform. The top, we had a hell of a time with the top. It was fish-eyeing, so we had to clean the hell out of it and then shoot it with epoxy primer, and we didn't have any fish eyes after that, so we shot it with epoxy, and then we shot it with a high build, and it's wet sanded, ready to go. We would have had this done a week ago, but Mother Nature decided to give us 30-degree temperatures and snow. But the other week really wasn't bad, because we went through and found a bunch more flaws that we were just going to deal with, but we decided not to. But we're going to just give you a little walk around here. We're going to shoot the bottom side of the car all up in here. There isn't enough light to really see anything, but we're going to shoot the whole bottom side of the car with base coat, clear coat, same color as the outside of the car, and jam it out. So this is where we're at with her now. Like I said, this is a culmination of 2 weeks worth of work. Probably 100 to 150 hours has been put into this. So anybody that wants to paint a car themselves, better a lot of time for it. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.